Citizens of the world, we are anonymous. We are here to address this message very stressfully, concerning the YouTube channel formerly belonging to the Anon Message. To prove that the legitimacy of the former account holder is the same, we implore all to direct yourselves to the Twitter account at the Anon Message, for which you can find the link to it in the description of this video. We would like to point out a few subjects regarding the channel, our mission, and the notorious imposters that have taken over the channel and are controlling it as we speak. The mission of the Anon Message has been the same ever since the creation of the YouTube channel, to bring viewers of YouTube easy access to documents made by anonymous in various countries in a creative, yet simple form of video. The Anon Message is a messenger of Anonymous. Just as it says in his name, we acknowledge very stressfully that he is not the messenger of the entire collective, but represents the majority. The documents he chooses to make videos out of involve several announcements of operations, messages, projects, new factions, and general news and information on Anonymous. An FBI branch codenamed COINTELPRO is responsible for a series of covert and at times illegal projects conducted by the United States Federal Bureau of Investigation. Its mission is aimed at illegally surveying, infiltrating, discrediting, and disrupting domestic political organizations. This program has been hidden in the shadows, yet failed to stay that way as it has been brought to light by activists, specifically those of the Citizens Commission in 1971. To summarize the dilemma, ever since the NSA have insisted over and over again on labeling Anonymous as a leaderless, terrorist organization, COINTELPRO has done psychological operations on Anons, thus leading to infiltration and illegal harassment. With brute force, we advise the citizens of the United States, specifically, to research on what this program is, for they were the ones that set Project Minaret, in which they targeted activists such as Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, and other civil rights members that wanted liberty and justice for our country. Yet sadly, events haven't changed and are still the same, with the undercover crackdown of activists in Wall Street, D.C., Oakland, California, and other such areas. Events such as those do not change in the cyber globe. In fact, it has gotten worse, and has forced us to go through secure connections in order to talk freely and have privacy. COINTELPRO has taken notice of this megaphone for Anonymous, as well as other Anon channels, and what we believe to be a hijacking of the Anonymous idea. Our operators and the founder have taken note of it, and were extremely cautious on what sites to target, what videos to release, and what people to contact in the web. Yet, we were too late. COINTELPRO launched a covert raid on the channel, and has taken control of it. Have they shut it down? No, for their benefit, they believe, is to humiliate the Anon idea. We ask the public to unsub, boycott, and flag the channel, and its future uploads. Citizens of the world, this is the new home of the Anon Message. The channel dubbed the Anon Messenger is the new base for the Anonymous idea, for projects, operations, and the message. This will be our final push to ask the people to completely disregard the channel, as we have released a video last year titled "A PR by the Anon Message" to alert the public of the channel's misconduct. We are openly declaring a covert raid against COINTELPRO. We will use our ability to either retake the channel or shut it down. Operation Last Defense engaged. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us all